Do it again, Mike. Do it again. I might piss myself instead.
While we do it? Yeah, come on. Come on. No, grab your box, motherfucker. Let's go.
No, he threw it. What is this shit?
This is a Boston bobsled team right here.
Dude, get yourself a box. Get your ass up there.
Oh my god.
It's not a one-time show. It's a prime time.
This is so serious. He's like, what is this shit? Oh, Joshua, you better be filming. Oh my god.
Oh, shit. No, you sit with him. Dude, I'm on. George, sit right here. Alright, come on. Come on, sit next to me.
Sit next to me.
Give it him.
You want to eat your hand?
Dude, we're gonna rape this hill.
We're gonna break this.
Fucking disrespect.
Do it.
Do
Do it.
1, 2, 3. I went further. I went. That's not bad, right? Not that bad. You get up to the top, you fucking fly down
If
the...
I had my chucks on, I would do it. Oh my stomach hurts so bad.
I broke my box.
You shredded that. Oh.
I broke my box.
I got my workout today.
Oh, it's right down my back. You got the leaker.